Welcome to our second accommodation in Mohandeseen. Now I'll be showing you around. So the first place is the kitchen. As you can see, we have a big fridge and we have all the storage spaces and you have everything you need to cook, and we have an oven. And of course we have a water filter as we have in our school, and we have the water boilers. So here is the living room. You can see we have two cozy couches and a big dining table where you can prepare your food and enjoy with your friends. And here it's the first room, which is a double room with two double beds. So here you can see the AC. And other than that, we have lots of storage space and a cozy couch where you can sit and study. So now we go to the second room, which is a single room. As you can see, there's a big bed and all the storage space you have around. It's incredible. And you can also see still we have the AC, and we have a big couch where you can just chill or study. And it's very luminous. You have a big window. So now we go to the third and last room. So this room is a double room with the two single beds. You have a library and the AC and a small couch where you can, and a desk where you can study. And you have lots of storage spaces in all our rooms. And I should insist we provide free Wi-Fi in all of our accommodations. And here we go to the bathroom. So in the bathroom we have the bathtub, of course, sink and toilet, the basic needs. And we also have a heater. So in Arabeya's accommodation you'll never suffer from cold water. So we also have a washing machine, and it's now working. Someone is washing their clothes. So thanks a lot for hearing from us, and we hope to see you with us very soon in Arabeya. Bye-bye.